Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got the DCH273 SDS machine on the bench. This one's going, on the face of it looks alright, but it's got a subtle little issue that I'm going to show you. Keeps dropping the butt, which is suboptimal to say the least. To show you what's causing this to drop these here, I'm going to have to remove this chuck to show you the offending item. All I need to remove is the chuck cover. As you can see, this chuck cover, if I can get a good angle on it, you see that's all rough on there and uneven. That's wear. If I show you one that's a second hand one that's good, see it's nice and smooth on there. And what that ring that's smooth on there is doing for you, usually if it's right, is holding this ball on and holding the butt and the chuck. So this one's past its sell by date. But lucky enough, the spares box has come to the rescue once again, and I have a second hand one that's perfectly fine. So I'll just stick it on and we should have perfect results. And bill's tighter already. So now for the moment of truth. Yeah, all's good. So if you have a chuck dropping butts, this could be the issue. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.